Have you ever heard of someone becoming a millionaire at 21? Seems impossible, right? Enter Vivian, too, a young entrepreneur who dared to dream big and turn that dream into reality. She faced the same challenges that many young people encounter: limited resources, student loans, and societal pressure to choose a conventional career path. Yet, she managed to break free from these constraints and achieve financial freedom at a remarkably young age. So, how did she do it? Let's dive into Vivian's story and uncover the secrets behind her incredible success. Let's face it, building wealth at a young age comes with significant hurdles. The most common roadblocks include limited starting capital, as the process of amassing wealth often requires an initial investment. Then there's the weight of student loans, which can be a massive financial burden. And let's not forget the societal pressure to pursue a traditional career path, pushing us to trade the risk of entrepreneurship for the perceived safety of a steady paycheck. Societal expectations sometimes push us towards secure but low-paying jobs. But Vivian wasn't deterred. She possessed a powerful mindset, a combination of ambition, resilience, and a willingness to learn. From the very beginning, she understood that the journey to financial independence was a marathon, not a sprint. It was this mindset that allowed her to see beyond the immediate challenges and stay focused on her long-term goals. Vivian was an avid learner. She devoured books on personal finance, attended business workshops, and sought mentorship from successful entrepreneurs. She believed that knowledge was her most powerful weapon and invested a great deal of time in growing her understanding of business and finance. In her own words, "I knew I had to be resourceful, so I focused on acquiring valuable skills, reading books on personal finance, and networking with successful entrepreneurs." Her thirst for knowledge wasn't limited to just books or classrooms. She sought real-world experiences, rubbing shoulders with business leaders and learning from their successes and failures. Vivian also understood the importance of taking calculated risks. She wasn't afraid to step out of her comfort zone and take bold decisions. She identified a gap in the market and developed a solution. It was a risk, but it was a calculated one, based on her understanding of the market and her faith in her skills and abilities. But perhaps the most important aspect of Vivian's success was her relentless work ethic. She was always the first to arrive and the last to leave. She poured her heart and soul into her business, often working late into the night. She was driven by her passion for her work and her commitment to her goals. Vivian's approach to achieving financial success wasn't about quick fixes or shortcuts. It was about perseverance, learning, and strategic decision-making. She was a firm believer in the saying, "Success is the sum of small efforts repeated day in and day out." Her relentless work ethic and strategic decision-making were crucial in propelling her business forward. Vivian's story is a testament to the power of a mindset and strategy in achieving financial success. But there was a turning point, a moment that truly catapulted Vivian's success. It was her decision to pivot from a saturated market to a niche that was untapped, underserved, and ripe for innovation. She rolled out a unique service offering not just a product, but a complete personalized experience for her customers. This bold move, driven by keen market insight and a willingness to take calculated risks, changed the game. This pivotal moment opened doors and put her on the fast track to becoming a millionaire. So, what can we learn from Vivian's story? Well, it's clear that the journey to success is paved with valuable lessons. One of the most crucial takeaways is the power of mindset. Vivian showed us that believing in yourself and your capacity to achieve your financial goals is the first step towards turning those dreams into reality. Next is the understanding that success is not a product of luck, but of hard work. There's no shortcut to financial freedom. It requires dedication, effort, and sometimes staying up late when everyone else is sleeping. Thirdly, knowledge is indeed power. Equip yourself with the right financial and investment strategies. Read books, attend workshops, connect with successful people, and never stop learning. And lastly, take action. Vivian didn't just dream about becoming a millionaire. She made calculated decisions and took risks. So remember, don't just dream it, do it. Identify opportunities and take calculated risks. Vivian too's story is an inspiration to young people everywhere. It paints a vivid picture of what can be achieved when ambition meets action, resilience, and strategic planning. Through her journey, we learn that financial freedom at a young age isn't a far-fetched dream, but a possible reality. It's about cultivating the right mindset, embracing hard work, continually learning, and taking calculated risks. So remember, you too can shape your own success story. What are your thoughts on young entrepreneurship and financial freedom? Share your thoughts in the comments below.